All right, I just wanted to show you directly how you can access some of the things you need to for this online course. I've written this out, but sometimes it's just easier to put it in video form. What I'm showing you here is the homepage for the Math 995 course. So you folks that are in Math 1050 or Stat 1045, it'll be essentially the same thing. So let's look at a couple things here first of all. So the first thing you notice, in addition to your regular My Math Lab button, which you're used to and which you know will get you to your homework and your quizzes and your tests, you just follow My Math Lab there, just like normal. You notice these last three buttons. So let's talk about each of these real quickly. If you click on the online introduction and plan, this kind of lays everything out as to how the course is structured. Basically, a written version of what I'm describing here. All right, so make sure that you uh, read that, watch that video, and of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me. But that's under that online introduction and plan. Now, if you click on this complete online module, it takes you to the module page where you usually go to see your my lab links, right? And so, um, but what I've added is I've added another module here. And this module is the online instruction. So this is where I'll be putting all of our online material. So let's talk about what you'll find here. First of all, the online introduction and plan, which we just showed you, is right there. So that's where that is found. But of special importance is this link to example videos. Here you'll see videos that I'm creating for each section that demonstrate example problems from that section. So this is just one source that you can use to learn the material. So you can watch these videos. These are created by me. I try to keep them short and bite-sized, but that's what you'll find there, and I'll add more as we go along. Um, and then down here you can see the recorded tutorial sessions. This is where I'll be placing the sessions that we have in WebEx. There's nothing there now, but when we have sessions in WebEx, I'll post the links there. All right. So let's go back to the home page. So that's the complete online module. That's where you can get to everything related to the online portion of the course. Now, this last green link is kind of important because this is where you can go to connect with me in our WebEx room live. And right now, these are the times that we're scheduled to meet in that WebEx room. And all you do is click on that link and and follow it and follow the directions, and it will dump you into the room and connect you. And during those times, we'll use those times to answer your questions and to go over problems, and but really to answer questions um, as you're learning this material. So those sessions will be recorded, and they're in that link that I showed you before, right here in the recorded tutorial sessions. So make sure this link you will use often to connect to me, whether it's during these regularly scheduled times listed here, or whether it is if we set up additional office hours or additional tutoring availability. All right, the last thing I wanted to show you, because the way you learn this material is either by uh, going to the example videos that I've created. Okay, you can watch those, or participating and watching the recorded tutorial sessions. You can learn the material there, but also you can watch lectures given on complete lectures on the section given in My Math Lab. They've always been available in My Math Lab, but now we're going to really rely on those. So to get those, you go to My Math Lab and you go to My Math Lab. And what you want to do is you want to go down to the multimedia library and you want to click on section video lectures. You can check these other things out, but this is the most direct. Section video lectures and click find. And you'll see that it gives you video lectures for every section in the book. And of course, we're on 6.5. And so if you click on that, you will see a lecture broken down by objective. You can navigate to different objectives covering that material. So this is how you will learn the material, by going into those sections. So that gives you an overview of what things are going to look like in this course. If you have questions, feel free to contact me at any time in Canvas, and I'll be replying to those things.